Hello, dear beauties. Welcome back to the journey of styles. So, dear beauties, today I am going to share with you beautiful collection and beautiful style ideas of skirts outfit for ladies and girls. Different and unique styles of Maxi outfit you are going to exploring in this video for girls and women. So it's more than 100 styles and the best designs of skirt outfits today you are going to find out in this video. You are going to find out Iran style skirts, maxi skirts, belted style skirts, hem skirts, midline style skirts, full length style skirts, with beautiful and stylish top designs and blouse styles. You will also get the ideas how to style your different maxi skirts with different styles of blouses and tops, how to style your midi skirts, how to style your maxi skirts, A-line style skirts, hem skirts with beautiful and stylish top shirts and blouse for your daily wears, for your casual wear, for your formal wears. Different colors, different styles, different designs, and different stitching techniques of skirts outfit today you are going to find out in this video, dear beauty. So must watch video till the end for the getting new ideas and new designs of 2025 skirts styles. I hope so, dear beauties, you are going to love these styles of skirts. Knit skirts, layer skirts, ruffle work style skirts, A-line style skirts in chiffon fabric and cotton fabric styles. Those girls, those women who love to wear skirts, who love to style skirt outfit for their different looks. So must watch video till the end. This video is going to be helpful and useful for you. I hope so you guys gonna love these designs and you are going to love these styles of skirts outfit. So must watch video till the end. And don't skip any idea, don't skip any styles of skirts. Beautiful collections of skirt outfit are coming up next in this video. Dear beauties, don't forget if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. Which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel and which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really tried my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so don't forget to share your kind opinions in the comment section. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so for more amazing ideas, for more collection and for more designs, visit on my channel and watch the videos of related to fashions and dresses, fashion and styles. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you. So must visit our channel and watch the videos. So as you can see, different and unique styles of skirts outfit within different looks, different styles. Please don't forget to like and share video. Don't forget to subscribe channel And also giving your feedback in the comment section about my videos, about my content, and about my channel. Enjoy the video till the end.